In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to the top or bottom of a page in Confluence. We'll set up simple jump links using anchors so readers can move instantly between the top and bottom of a long page. Start by opening Confluence, then navigate into the space and the specific page where you want this behavior. Once you're on the page, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit so you can add the elements we need. With the editor open, place your cursor exactly where you want the jump target to be. For a back-to-top experience, that spot is usually at the very top of the content. Type anchor to bring up the anchor option, then select anchor link. When prompted, give the anchor a short, memorable name. Keep it simple, all lowercase and without spaces. Something like top works well. This name is what your link will point to, so consistency matters. Now, scroll to the bottom of your page and repeat the same process there. Click where you want the bottom jump target. Type anchor, choose anchor link again, and give it a clear name such as bottom. At this point, you have two anchors, one at the top and one at the bottom. Next, add a link that jumps to one of these anchors. Place your cursor where you want the clickable text to appear. Many people add it near the top, pointing to the bottom, and type link to open the linking tool. Click link. In the dialog, search for or paste the page link you're on. If your editor lets you pick anchors on the page, select the one you named. Optionally, add display text so it reads clearly, like jump to bottom, then click Insert to add the link to your page. Repeat the linking process for the other direction, typically at the bottom of the page. Click link again. In the link field, type the anchor name you used, for example, highlight if that's the anchor name in your setup, or top if that's what you chose. Provide display text such as back to top, then click Insert. When you're finished, publish your changes by clicking Update. Now test everything in view mode. Click your new link and confirm the page jumps directly to the correct spot. If a link doesn't land where you expect, double check that the anchor names match exactly and that the links point to the same page that holds your anchors. With that, you've created smooth top to bottom navigation in Confluence.